I don't know if it's gonna fall on us.
We are loaded on Misadventure Falls. Gavin, what are we doing?
Sliding. Yeah!
All right, guys.
Make sure you hold on.
I only have one hand on this, so I don't know how this is gonna go. How was it?
Awesome!
What was the best part?
The huge drop. That's a huge drop than the rest of it.
Did you get wet?
Yes!
All right, what do you guys want to do next?
More
slides?
Yeah!
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoy fun, craziness, parks, and all that kind of stuff, maybe consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, you know, all that YouTube-y stuff. Here's a couple more videos you might be interested in watching, and have a wet and wonderful day. Sure, we're gonna go wet and wonderful day.